However, when I put the machine some distance away, I managed to clean her. Fortunately, the PalFur grooming machine has a long hose. I also cut my dog's hair with an electric clipper. Just a couple of minutes, and you can see how much hair is collected in the dustbin. I also want to try this vacuum cleaner on the furniture. I cleaned a few chairs and the couch. They look much better now. So I have been thinking about solving my cat's hair problem at home for a long time, and it looks like this grooming vacuum cleaner is a perfect solution. First, I have much less hair on my furniture now. In addition, I don't have to spend money and time on grooming services. Of course, this vacuum cleaner is more effective than usual brushes or a Furminator. In my opinion, PalFur grooming vacuum is a must-have for any pet owner. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!